What if I tell you can create 1,000 YouTube shorts without breaking a sweat? No endless hours of recording or editing. Just you, a couple of AI tools, and a step-by-step system to pump out monetizable content like a machine. Sounds crazy? It's not. Like, I know everybody is telling you to create content because everybody knows that creating content takes forever. But by the time you've planned, recorded, edited, and uploaded one video, days have gone by. Now imagine if you could create 1,000 YouTube shorts without breaking a sweat, automated, ready to be monetized, and using just a few AI tools. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it using ChatGPT and Canva. These tools are about to become your best friends for content creation, and by the time we're done, you'll know how to create, automate, and scale like never before. And guess what? It's so easy you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. So stick around. But before that, make sure you've subscribed to our channel. Alright, so before we jump into the how, let's talk about the why. YouTube Shorts have exploded in popularity. Did you know that YouTube Shorts now get over 30 billion views every single day? That's massive. It's not just the views, YouTube is also rolling out more monetization options for Shorts. Meaning this is a prime opportunity to make serious money by leveraging AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva. Think about it. These tools allow you to create more content faster, without compromising on quality. And the best part? You can scale this method to create thousands of shorts, automating the process and letting the AI do the heavy lifting. So, how do we get started? Let's break it down. Step number 1 is topic research idea generation with ChatGPT. Okay, first things first, coming up with ideas. And this is where ChatGPT shines. Instead of racking your brain for new content ideas, you can literally generate them on demand with just a few clicks. Here's what you have to do. Open ChatGPT and type a prompt like, "Give me 20 viral YouTube Shorts ideas in the put your niche here industry." And boom. Within seconds, you've got a list of ideas that are tailor-made for shorts. Let's say you're in the finance niche. ChatGPT can spit out ideas like 3 ways to save $1,000 in 30 days. The biggest financial mistake people make in their 20s. And you can experiment with a lot of ideas. I am just giving you 2 examples. But listen carefully, here's the trick. Or refine the ideas. Ask ChatGPT more specific or to tweak them for a particular audience. For example, try prompts like, "Give me viral ideas for YouTube Shorts about saving money for college students." And the shortcut tip here is you don't need to settle for just 20 ideas. Generate 100, 200, or even more, so you have a bank of content ready to go. Step number 2, creating scripts for shorts using ChatGPT. Now, once you have your ideas, you'll need scripts for each short. Again, use ChatGPT for the rescue. Here's what you do. Simply input. Write me a 30-second script for a YouTube short on put your topic which you have selected. For instance, write a 30-second script on how to build a credit score fast. Within seconds, you'll have a full script. You can also ask ChatGPT to refine it or shorten it to fit the fast pace of a short. Something like this. Here are 3 simple steps to build your credit score fast. 1. Always pay your credit card on time. 2. Keep your credit utilization below 30%. 3. Don't close old accounts, as they help build credit history. Here the pro tip is instead of doing this one by one, ask ChatGPT to generate 10 scripts at a time for different topics, so you can batch process them. By the end of this, you'll have tons of scripts ready for your shorts, making your content creation not only fast but scalable. Okay, so we've got the ideas and scripts ready. Now we need to bring them to life. Enter Canva. If you're not familiar, Canva is a user-friendly design tool that's perfect for creating engaging visuals, even if you have 0 design experience. Step number 3, setting up Canva for video creation. Start by opening Canva and selecting a template designed for YouTube Shorts. You want to choose one that's in the 9:16 vertical format, which is the standard for shorts. Quick tip: Canva has tons of pre-designed video templates, so you don't have to start from scratch. Just search for YouTube Shorts and pick a design that fits your style. Now, you can upload your own content if you have any or use Canva's massive library of stock videos, images, animations. Trust me, Canva makes this process so easy. It's almost like cheating. Step number 4, adding custom elements to stand out. Want your shorts to really pop? Add in custom branding elements, like your logo, specific fonts, or colors. This way, every short you produce is instantly recognizable. Here the pro tip is Canva Pro has a feature called the background remover, which lets you get rid of the background in a snap. This is great for layering cool visuals on top of each other. Plus, Canva also offers animations and transitions that you can easily drag and drop into your video. This helps keep your shorts engaging and dynamic, which is crucial to maintaining viewer attention. Remember, our goal is to create 1,000 shorts, so you need to be efficient. What you can do is batch create by designing 10 to 20 videos at once. Use the same template for multiple videos, but switch up the text and images to match the scripts you've created. This speeds up the process big time. Now that you have the ideas, scripts, and videos ready, it's time to automate everything. Let's talk about how to bulk upload and schedule your content. Step number 5 is bulk uploading and scheduling YouTube Shorts. Head over to YouTube Studio and upload your shorts in bulk. Did you know you can upload up to 15 videos at once? This is a huge time saver. Once uploaded, use YouTube's scheduling feature to plan your shorts in advance. You can schedule them to post over a few weeks, even months. If you want even more control, use third-party tools like TubeBuddy or Hootsuite. These platforms allow you to schedule content across multiple platforms at once. Here the pro tip is schedule your shorts to go live daily or a few times a week to keep the algorithm happy and your audience engaged. Consistency is key to building an audience and monetizing your content. A quick side note, YouTube's Shorts Fund is a new program that rewards creators based on engagement and views. So the more shorts you post, the better your chances of qualifying for those payouts. It's a win-win situation. More content is equal to more views is equal to more money. So far, we've covered how easy it is to generate ideas, create scripts, design your videos, and automate the upload process using AI tools. But before you dive headfirst into creating those 1,000 YouTube Shorts, let's take a moment to address some common pitfalls and how you can avoid them. Trust me, these tips will save you time, frustration, and help you maximize your success. Number 1. Quality over quantity. Don't sacrifice engagement for speed. Look, I get it. You want to bulk create as much content as possible. But here's the thing, if your content isn't engaging, it won't matter how many shorts you create. The YouTube algorithm prioritizes content that keeps people watching, interacting, and coming back for more. If your shorts feel rushed or poorly made, viewers will click away quickly, and you won't see the engagement or revenue you're hoping for. What to do instead? Focus on creating high-quality, engaging content first, and then scale up. It's better to make 100 shorts that people actually watch and share than 1,000 shorts that no one sticks around for. Even though AI is doing a lot of the heavy lifting, make sure to review each video to ensure it's entertaining, informative, and visually appealing. Here the pro tip for you is create a test batch of about 10 to 20 shorts first. Release them over a few days and check how your audience reacts. If the engagement is high, you're on the right track. If not, tweak your content before scaling up production. Number 2. AI tools are amazing, but personalization is key. AI tools like ChatGPT Canva are powerful and can automate much of your content creation process. But here's a big mistake many creators make. They rely on AI too much. What separates successful creators from the rest is that they add their own personal touch to the content. Remember, people watch content that feels authentic and relatable. If your shorts feel like they were mass-produced by a robot because they were, you might lose that personal connection with your audience. What to do instead? After generating scripts with ChatGPT, take a few minutes to add your own spin. Maybe that means adding a personal anecdote, a joke, or just tweaking the tone to match your unique style. The same goes for visuals. Canva templates are great, but make sure you're adding your brand's colors, fonts, and personality to the final product. Here the pro tip is always read through the AI-generated scripts to ensure they align with your brand's voice. Even a small touch of personalization can make your content stand out in a sea of AI-generated videos. Number 3. Timing and consistency matter. Here's another common pitfall: creators produce a ton of content, but they don't post it consistently. Uploading 100 shorts one day and then going silent for 2 months isn't going to help you grow. Consistency is crucial for maintaining momentum, especially when it comes to the YouTube algorithm. Stick to a consistent posting schedule. Once you've created your batch of shorts, use YouTube's scheduling feature or a tool like TubeBuddy to automate your uploads. This way, your channel stays active without you having to manually upload content every single day. You don't have to post 10 shorts a day. Even 1 to 2 per day, consistently, will make a big impact over time. The key is to stay top of mind with your audience and give YouTube's algorithm a reason to keep pushing your content. Number 4. Ignoring analytics. Learn and adapt. Lastly, many creators forget to check their analytics and learn from them. If you're blindly uploading shorts without reviewing what's working and what's not, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to improve and adapt. Make it a habit to check YouTube Studio regularly and review key metrics like average view duration, retention rate, and engagement: likes, comments, shares. Are there certain types of content that are getting more views? Are some shorts getting higher engagement? Double down on what works. If you find that shorts about a particular topic are performing well, create more content in that niche. Don't be afraid to pivot your content strategy based on what the data tells you. And that's it. Creating 1,000 monetizable YouTube Shorts isn't just possible, it's easy with the right tools. Using ChatGPT for idea generation and scripting and Canva for visuals, you can automate and scale your content production like a pro. Now, it's your turn. Start by implementing these steps today. And if you want more tips and tricks on how to automate your content and grow your channel, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Drop a comment below if you've tried using AI tools for your content, and let me know how it's going. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more insider tips on making your content creation process faster and more profitable. Thanks for watching.